Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today I have a bonus watch face for Sunday. Come on, let's check it out. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today I got a watch face that I want you all to check out that I think you're gonna like. The name of the watch face is called Own Apps and Images. Now I know what you're thinking. You think you've seen this one before. I'm thinking this one here is a little different from the others. Now in the always on mode, you're going to get the same look. It's just going to be dimmed down quite a bit, but you are going to be able to see your digital time very clearly at a glance. Now when the watch face is on, here's where we have an opportunity for full customization of this watch face. But first, let's take a look at, you got digital time, you got your day and your date up under the bottom, you got info on your heart rate and miles walked or ran. And for those of you all who love shortcuts like myself, you have tons of them in a U shape right there. Now the image that you're looking at in the background is mine. It's very clear, very sharp in detail. Even behind the camera, that image looks very good. Now, if I double tap, here's what we're able to customize. So you can customize the font if you like. Just cycle through the different ones till you get to the one you like. I like that one. If I want to customize the color, I just single tap till I get to the color that matches the shade that I have. Got to make sure that it comes out so you'll be able to see your time. I'm going to cycle through till I get to a clear one. Do one more. There you go. That blue doesn't look bad on top of red, right? And if I want to, I can double tap and I can change the shade. And so, of course, again, I'm going to have to change the color of my time to match the shade. All right. But what I do like is that if I want to put it at 25%, the opacity, I can. If I want to put it at 100%, just hit the plus until it gets all the way to 100%. And when I'm finished, well, I just hit the check mark. But first, if I want to change those icons to coffee, or let's do battery for that one, and we could do water for that one, you can customize that as well. I thought that was awesome. All right, so I'm going to go back in. So if I want 12 hours, I can leave it there. Or if I want 24 hours, just simply single tap. I like 12 hours, so I'm going to put it back there. Here's where we're able to change the image, right? So I'm going to use one picture. I'm going to use that one. I'm going to go choose some more. I'm going to swipe a little bit so I can get to some clear ones that I know will show very nice and clear. Let's get to a nice one. Let's see. How about that one? And I'm going to choose that one. Okay, so once I'm finished, I can hit the check mark, right? And now it's going to show one of the images. Now, if I double tap back on this one, then I can either have it change it random or not. But if I want to cycle through the ones I want to start off to be number one, I just go ahead and cycle through till I get to the one I like. And or if I want to have it set for 5 minutes, 10, 20, 30, 180, I can. Once I'm done, I'm good to go. And you can get a play out of it. Just let it go ahead and play if you want to. If not, go ahead, hit the check mark, go out, and now you're good to go. Now, there's one thing I didn't get to show you. Let me go back in. And if I want to change the icons, let's say I don't want this one and I want to put S Health, I put S Health there. If I don't want that one and I want to change it to, let's put it on Swift Spot, I can put it there. So you can fully customize what shows up here. And if you don't want them, you can tap until you get an empty space and you don't have to have anything there. Or if you want one here and you want one there to give it a different type of look, you can. I'm thinking it's awesome, guys. So hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this particular watch face by Smartwatch Edition. I am going to leave a video at the end. I'm going to try to leave one at the end so you guys can check it out kind of more in detail. All right, you all. I hope you enjoyed the video. If it was informative, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.